The Keto Diet, a comprehensive guide to ketogenic eating. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, has gained significant popularity in recent years. This low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan has been praised for its potential benefits, including weight loss, improved energy levels, and better mental focus. In this article, we will delve into the fundamentals of the keto diet, its benefits, potential risks, and tips for getting started. Understanding the keto diet. The keto diet revolves around the principle of drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. By doing so, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it starts utilizing fat as its primary fuel source instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic shift has several effects on the body and its functions. Benefits of the keto diet. A. Weight loss. One of the main reasons people adopt the keto diet is to shed excess pounds. The reduction in carbohydrate intake and the increased fat consumption can lead to a significant reduction in body weight. B. Improved energy levels. Many individuals report increased energy levels and improved mental clarity while following the keto diet. Stable blood sugar levels and a constant supply of energy from fats are believed to contribute to this effect. Circa appetite control. The keto diet may help control hunger cravings and reduce appetite due to the satiating nature of fats and proteins. D. Potential health benefits. Some studies suggest that the keto diet may have positive effects on various health conditions, such as type 2 diabetes, epilepsy, and metabolic syndrome. However, further research is still needed. Foods to eat on the keto diet. A. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts and seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and grass-fed butter are excellent sources of healthy fats. B. Protein. Opt for high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, and eggs. Circa non-starchy vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers are low in carbs and rich in nutrients. D. Dairy. Full-fat dairy products like cheese and Greek yogurt can be included in moderation. E. Beverages. Water should be your primary beverage, but unsweetened coffee, tea, and herbal infusions are also acceptable. Foods to avoid on the keto diet. A. High-carb foods. Grains, legumes, starchy vegetables, and most fruits should be avoided or limited. B. Sugar and sweeteners. Stay away from sugary foods, desserts, sodas, and artificial sweeteners. Circa processed foods. Highly processed snacks, fast food, and packaged convenience meals are generally high in carbs and unhealthy fats. Getting started with the keto diet. A. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan that focuses on low-carb, high-fat foods and fits your dietary preferences. B. Gradual transition. To minimize side effects, gradually reduce carbohydrate intake over a few weeks instead of making an abrupt change. Circa stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health and helps combat the initial water loss associated with ketosis. D. Monitor your macros. Keep track of your macronutrient intake, aiming for high fat, moderate protein, and low carbs. E. Seek professional advice. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting the keto diet. Conclusion. The keto diet can be a valuable tool for weight loss, improved energy, and potential health benefits. However, it's crucial to approach it with proper knowledge and understanding. Remember to listen to your body, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed. By following the principles of the keto diet, you can embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier. Thanks for watching. For more video, subscribe.